Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I've got a little unboxing of some friend mail, some happy mail, and this has come from all the way across the seas in America. So I know what you're seeing is a Craftably tube. It's not from Craftably though. So I'm just going to try and get into this in such a way as to not show anybody's address. I have already started peeling the tape off just to make my life a little bit easier. But this is a gift from the lovely, the wonderful Crafty Chef Diamond. I will link her channel stuff on here for you. And yet she is the host. She is the organizer and the herder of many cats for the Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 group over on Facebook. So I'll link that down below as well. Basically, she orchestrates us having themes to diamond paint for, and different people co-host each month, and then we all support each other's channels, and it's just super wholesome and lovely. And after I hosted the event in August, she said, I have a canvas that I would like to send you. Can I send it to you? So I said, yes, of course you can. Thank you very much. And so this is it. All. And also, so everything, yeah, that's everything out of there. Also, she was, she's not called Crafty Chef for nothing. She is a chef, and she was kind enough to send me some of her cookies, the idea being to see whether we could get them to come across the oceans still in one piece. They have not survived as whole cookies, but I'm still going to very much enjoy them. So thank you so much. I think there might be one that's not broken in there, but the rest are a little crumbled, but that's fine. We don't mind a crumbled biscuit. So this is, oh, I've just spied some eyes. So this is a diamond painting that she has sent me. It is from Day's Dream, and I believe it is a crystal painting. So let's just unwind her. Oh, she is lovely. Oh, there's more things here. Oh, I've got more cookies. Right. Oh, okay. This last set arrived in one piece. We've got 4 whole cookies in that one. So it seems like the one that was at the end that would have been banging against the lid of the tube the most is the one that's the most crushed, if that is useful. Bless her. So yeah, she is sending me this just because canvas. And she is also, oh, I've got stickers. Oh, bless you. Thank you so much. This is adorable. Oh. So we've got stickers. Oh, Nevermore Academy. Lovely. Oh, she knows me so well. Some spooky ones. And then we've got Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. These need to be flattened out a little bit. But I believe that these came from Jenny Rose and her Etsy store. So these are the cover papers, and obviously our advertising as well for the Diamond Painting with Friends group. They are all different colours, but all the same sort of idea. I'm going to stick those under some books. For now, I'm going to stick them under my iPad. See if I can't get them to flatten out a little bit. But thank you so much. Oh, yes, as I was saying, I had a feeling this might be a full crystal drill canvas. We've got 21 colours. Obviously, a lot of this, all of the background is going to be in this clear crystal, which I will link to my other witchy picture that I did that was all crystals, because for that one I used a, what's the word? I used silver leaf on the background instead of the diamonds, and that came out quite nicely. So I've got silver leaf left, I've got copper leaf left, in fact. So I might see about doing the back in the same way. Sorry, I've just realised my light is shining on it in a very annoying fashion. But yeah, oh, she's so cute. I love her with her big head and her tiny body. She's very kawaii. But yeah, so we've got lots of crystal colours, obviously 2 big bags of that clear crystal, and then all of the other colours in there, and a chunk of regular black drills for, I would assume, the hat. But yeah, all pre-baggied, which is lovely. And we poured glue. Fab. Yeah, this is nice. I've not done a diamond painting from this company before, so that will be interesting to see. The previous crystal drill canvas that I did was from Crystal Canvas Art Design. So, oh, but see that I just rolled it backwards on itself, which you can do because it's clear, because it's poured glue, and she's now sitting beautifully flat. No problems at all. Yeah, lots of lovely colour blocking in there. Yeah, confetti details where you need them. It's lovely. I'm very pleased with this. Yeah, so thank you very much. I am going to go and make myself a cup of tea and have a cookie now. So yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, I know I've got a prize to send out to Chef, which I've not done. I'm going to send all the prizes all at the same time when I'm doing them, after the final prizes for the Pan party. So that's the plan. Get all the postage done at once. That way it's only one trip. So that is my plan. I will, of course, let you all know when prizes are sent out so that you can have your tracking numbers. But yeah, I'm super excited. I am not going to be working on this year. I am already filled up with canvases, but you never know, come spooky season next year, she might be on my list. She is very lovely, and I do like to work on a crystal canvas. I like the crystal drills. They're very spangly. So yeah, thank you very much. I'm super happy. I'm gonna go now and eat cookies. So thank you very much. And please, if you're not already following Chef, please do go check out her channel and subscribe. And if you are not already, come over to Facebook and join the Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 group. We are all super friendly. And yeah, it's just nice to have someone or a group of people to diamond paint along with. And it doesn't even have to be diamond painting, just any sort of craft now. We've really opened it up. So I'm going to leave this here. Huge love and thank you to Crafty Chef Diamond, Laura, once again. You are too kind, and I'm so grateful. And yeah, thank you. I'm sorry. I'm just, yeah, thank you. And thank you to everybody that supports the channel. You guys are lovely, and yeah, I wouldn't be here without you. So thank you once again. I'm going to stop jabbering on. I will see you in my next video, and until then, stay crafty.